Urban Food Heights. From the Urban Food Heights in the Philippines, and the program implemented by the Agria and supported by Oxfam. So, welcome, Ms. Phipps. And also with us is from Agria, Ma'am Christine Hudluman, the Director of Community and Development Program, Agria Foundation. Also, Ms. Mary Christine Kadag, the Food System Policy Officer of Luzon and Visayas. So, gano'n na aman sila karon diri sa ato. Because of spaces, we have the Garden of Hope. And our CSOs, the civil society organizations, we have piloted 8 of them. So, makadawat sila o an award from Agria. So, may I call from the Tag Farmers Association, represented by Merlinda. From Cacao Women's Association, the President, Ian Tapan Sendo. From Sukong Farmers Association, the President, Melchor Painagan. From Tejero Rice Farmers Association, Ma'am Cristina Molas. And our national winner from Bunga Women's Association, Maria Annalyn Sumalino.
Daghang salamat, Ma'am Badet. Maayong buntag sa tanan. So, good morning po. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa partnership na napaka-supportive po, of course, na LGU Ilongos, led by Mayor Lindin, na nasa atin po yung national winner. Palapakan naman po natin. And actually po, yung buwan ng Nino last month, sineselebrate natin yung National Farmers and Future Folk Month. So, palapakan po natin ang ating mga kinuskang, mga farmers and future folk. So, dito sa Ilongos na kami ang walo ng partner as part ng Spaces Project. O nagpapasalamat talaga po kami sa Spaces team. Pwede ko po tawagan yung Spaces team po dito. Sila Ma'am Alma, sila Sir Roland, sila Ma'am Badet, sila Ma'am Kat. Dito po tayong lahat. We want to recognize po, with behalf of Agria and ang Spaces team po with our partners, Oxfam, Australian Aid, Galing po ang Foundation, tsaka ICEA in the Philippines. So sila po yung team, na bumubuo po na Spaces Project para matugunan po yung tinatawag natin food security dito sa Ilongos. So food security po very important, kasi lahat po tayo, para tayo ng agriculture sector, lahat tayo kumakain 3 times a day. So dapat po supportahan natin talaga yung ating mga magsasaka, mga isda, at lahat po ng bumubuo ng ating sektor ng agrikultura. At yung Ilongos po sa loob lang ng maisinahing partnership, sa loob ng 14 months, naging modelo po yung ating munisipalidad sa pagbuo ng mga programa sa food and nutrition. So palapakan po natin yung ating LGU Ilongos team at ang ating mga civil society organization. Yung pinaka-goal po namin sa Spaces Project po ay mas mapatibay po yung collaboration and partnership ng ating mga farmers, fisher po, and of course ng ating LGU. So ngayon po, gusto rin po namin appreciate yung ating mga partner CSO, So basahin ko po yung certificate. So Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Name of Association for participating in the Garden of Hope Food Heights Incentive Program run from November 2023 to March 2024. This also comes with a cash or input-based incentive to practice climate resilience and scaling up regenerative agriculture in their communities. Given this 3rd day of June to 2024 at Municipality of Ilongos. So una ko pong tatawagin, Sugong Farmers Association. So yung cash incentive po namin sa mga sumali is 10,000 pesos at sa national winner naman po ay 50,000 pesos which we have sa Bungao Farmers Association. Next po is the Tag Farmers Association. Next po is Barangay Cacao Women's Association. Next po is the Tejero Rice Farmers Association. Ug ang last but not the least, of course, ang atong national winner, no? Dapat po maging proud tayo kasi yung national winner na adiri sa Hilongos, ang Bungao Women's Association. So they will receive po 50,000 pesos of mentorship from Agrarian Foundation. Palabangan po natin ang ating mga magiging partners and leaders. At together po, of course, ang ating local government unit, ipagpatuloy po natin at kayo din po, lahat po tayo dito, no? Magtulungan po tayo para mas maging progresibo ang ating food security sa ating lugar. Maraming salamat po.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for having me here. I just wanted to acknowledge the great work of all of the people up here and how important it is. Food security is so important. Everything we eat and the way it works together with the farmers, the association, the local government and other institutions. So thank you so much for having me.
So, daghang salamat, and after the flag ceremony, the Agria together with Miss Faith will go to Bungao, and they have a quick visit to Cacao Garden and whole day in Bungao. That will be all. Thank you.